Hi friends, we are ready for Unit 3, Week 3, Day 5. This week we've been talking about what a folktale is. A folktale is a story that's been passed on from generation to generation for a long time, right? Your grandparents have told it, their grandparents have told it, and it's been passed down all the way to you. All right, we're going to review some of our vocabulary words. All right, what is this vocabulary word? Hero. The hero of a story is a main character who is brave and good. What is that word? Tell. Now, this isn't like the animal tell. This is a tell is a story about exciting imaginary events. That means things that can't really happen. Do you remember this word? This word is eventually. Eventually means that you'll finally do it, or after a while, right? Yesterday we talked about when something was really hard for you, right? And when I was growing up and little, reading was really, really hard for me. And it took me a long time, but eventually I was able to read. What's this word? This word is foolish. Foolish means that you're very silly or you're being unwise. And unwise means you're not making smart choices. All right, here's our last one. Timid. Timid means that you're shy or a little bit afraid or scared. All right, we're going to blend some sounds today. So I'm going to say some sounds and then you're going to chop them and then we're going to blend them together to make a word. All right, here we go. Is. Your turn. Is. Is. Ice. Your turn. Ice. Slice. Edge. Your turn. Edge. Wedge. Ace. Ace. Trace. Badge. Your turn. Badge. Badge. Last one. Ants. Your turn. Ants. Chance. Great job. This week we've really been focusing on soft letters C, G, and DGE. Soft C says, what does it say? S. Soft G says J. And soft DGE says J as well. All right, we're going to tap out some words. So get those lion paws out or tiger paws. Here we go. Hinge. Hinge. Fence. Fence. Ice. Dice. Age. Wage. All right, we're going to review our high frequency words. Here we go. Any. Upon. So. Once. From. Happy. All right, remember, if these are hard for you, make sure you're practicing them at home. You can play memory or go fish with them. Those are always fun ways to play. And practice your high frequency words. All right, today we're going to read a story called The Nice Mitten. Now, we've already read this story, so I want you to read along with me. Here we go. Once upon a time, a boy named Lance went out to pick up sticks. His mom gave him nice red mittens in case his hands got cold. "Take the mittens and keep them safe," his mom said. But as Lance left, he ran fast and lost a mitten at the edge of the wide forest. 5 mice saw the mitten. "This is a nice place to rest," they said. So the happy mice went in and rested. Then a rabbit raced by. "This is a nice place for hiding," she said. So the rabbit went in and hid. The mitten puffed up a bit. Next, a hedgehog came sniffing by. "This is a nice place for taking a nap," he said. So the hedgehog went in and slept. The mitten puffed up a bit more. Just then, a big bear came by. "This is a nice place to get warm," he said. So the big bear went in. The mitten puffed up from all the animals in it. It puffed up as much as a mitten can. At last, a black cricket came by. "This is a nice place," he said. "We do not have any space," said the animals in the mitten. But the black cricket went in, and just as he did, rip, snap, pop! When Lance came back, there was not a trace of red mitten left. So sad. All right, that is such a sad story, but you guys did a great job reading. We're going to go ahead and read our other story from this week, The Gingerbread Man. Let me back it up here. All right, here we go. The Gingerbread Man. Read along with me. We've read this one several times too. Here we go. Once upon a time, there lived a little Graham and a little Gramps. They had a happy life, except for one big thing. They did not have any grandkids. "I will make a grandson out of gingerbread," said Graham. "That will be nice," said Gramps. So Graham made a little gingerbread man. Then she placed him in the oven to bake. At last it was time to take him out. Graham set him down. She gave him a happy face. She gave him pants made of fudge icing. Just as she finished, the gingerbread man jumped up like magic. He looked at Graham and Gramps and smiled. Then he ran away. Graham and Gramps raced after him. "Run, run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man," the little man sang. Graham and Gramps did not catch him. The gingerbread man ran on and on. He ran until he met a black cow. "Stop!" yelled the black cow. "You smell good. I will eat you up. Yum!" "I ran from Graham and Gramps," the gingerbread man sang. "I can run from you too. Yes, I can. The gingerbread man ran and ran, and the cow did not catch him. Next, the gingerbread man met a white duck. "Do not run so fast," said the duck. "I am hungry. You will make a nice snack. Yum, yum." "I ran from the cow and Graham and Gramps," yelled the gingerbread man, "and I can run from you too. Yes, I can. And the duck did not catch him. The gingerbread man ran on and on and on. He passed a red fox. "Run, run, run, just as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man," he sang. "I do not wish to catch you," said the fox. "I just wish to be a friend." The gingerbread man and the fox ran on until they came to the edge of a big lake. "But I can't swim," said the gingerbread man. "What will I do?" "Jump on my back," said the red fox. "I will help." So the gingerbread man jumped on top of the red fox. The red fox swam and swam and swam. "Oh no," said the red fox, "my back is sinking. Jump on my head, quick! If not, you will get wet." The gingerbread man jumped on the fox's head. The fox tossed the gingerbread man up in the air. "Oh no," yelled the gingerbread man, and then the fox ate him up. "Run, run, run as fast as you can," said the fox. "This is the last of that gingerbread man." The end. All right, feel free to rewind and reread either The Lost Mitten or you can reread The Gingerbread Man. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.